let's talk about why the journey is different for the masculine and the feminine, and how is it different? What is it activating in both, and how do you move through it? Okay, the divine feminine works in the 3 higher chakras. The divine masculine works in the 3 lower chakras. When is the journey activated for both at the same time? In the bubble love phase, that is when the energy is building. At that point, there comes a point when the energy, instead of it magnetizing in, it starts to repel. And the only way through it, once this has happened, is to bring down that energetic wall. Who can bring down that energetic wall? You as a divine feminine. Now, let's talk about who's a divine feminine, who's a divine masculine. How do you know the difference? It does not matter how you identify in the physical form. And really, we're just using labels, and the labels are there just so you can identify. But really, let go of the label. Don't start owning the label. Don't own any labels on this. I use labels so you can understand the journey, and once you understand it, you can shift it down into a soul remembrance and understand the journey. So the chasing energy, the positive energy, the energy that is leading this, that works in the higher 3 chakras, is always the divine feminine. It does not matter if you identify with male or female. It is the energy. Think about this connection in energy. The divine masculine comes in to activate the seeds of potential in the feminine. Now, the feminine has a choice. You can pick the lower timeline, which is staying in mind and ego and constantly looping and feeling separation consciousness, and let me say this, if you're truly on a twin flame journey, you will automatically at some point, and you have a choice on that some point, start to let go of the mind and ego. Now, you will either choose it, or it will come to a point that it breaks you so open that you are so surrendered and in desperate energy of, there is nothing more I can do to help myself on this journey but surrender. That normally takes a long time to get to, but everybody on this journey is moving forward. So I want you to know that you can't, if you're truly on a twin flame journey, it is an awakening journey, it is an activation journey. Your soul is activated in 2 incarnations, i.e. the masculine and the feminine. The masculine energy could be a female. It doesn't matter how you identify. It's all about energy and frequency, but they're the running energy. They work in the 3 lower chakras. They are the subconscious level, so they do not need to know about the journey. They can't understand. Here's the thing. They cannot understand the journey at the same level as you, because you are the spiritual twin. You lead the connection. They come in and activate you. Neither one of you can do the journey without each other. And once you are activated on the journey, you are always connected. You are always in that constant feedback of energy and frequency, because the soul has had soul recognition in both bodies. But, and this is what trips the divine feminine up, once it happens, it activates the mind and ego, and you feel separation consciousness. Now, you believe that feeling that is now deregulated, your emotions and your nervous system is now deregulated. And I want to really remind you, at this point, if you're going through dark night of the soul, let me explain a little bit what is happening. You are now vibrating in a different frequency. This frequency is activating each one of your bodies. So your emotional body, your nervous system will be now out of control. You will be feeling these massive oscillations. They will be vibrating up. This is about learning how to ground in, learning how to observe. We're not going to spiritually bypass, but you're going to observe what is rising within you. Remember, whatever you resist persists. So if you try and scratch the itch somewhere else, like trying to find another relationship, I need somebody in my life, I need this, I need that, you're only scratching the itch and it will still persist. So it is about learning how to bring the energy and the frequency into that oneness frequency. The physical body is now changing at a very, very rapid rate. How you can absorb and shift light frequency into the ley lines is now activating. The way that you can hold cosmic frequency, this is why you will feel ascension symptoms. You may feel like a flu-like symptom. You may almost feel like your wings are coming out of the back of your shoulder blades, feeling aches, feeling like, maybe you're getting skin changes. Now, like I always say, if you're worried or if anything persists more than 48 hours, always go and get it checked out. But ascension symptoms happen on this journey. Your mental body is now changing, and your frequency to divine, your crown chakra, is now in a very high frequency. The third eye is rapidly opening and you have a massive heart chakra activation. Both of you have a heart chakra activation, but the divine masculine, well, both of you shut down that heart. Not completely, but it shuts down. You project outside, and as you project outside, guess what? The divine masculine projects outside. They seek comfort in anything but themselves. While you seek comfort in divine masculine or trying, they will then do it outside of themselves too, i.e. in that old relationship, in exercise, maybe in alcohol or work, anything, so they don't have to feel what is being activated within them. But their work is the 3D work. They will have things in a lot more 3D sense. So with work or relationships, they will still go through it, but they're not alchemizing it at such a rapid rate like you are. You work in the 3 higher chakras. So this is why your spiritual gifts will be really amplified. You will feel your divine masculine. When you sleep, you will start to think that you will feel their energy over you, and your mind will go, what is this? I need to understand it. This is a journey of inner standing. This is a journey of inner union. This is a journey of soul alignment. If you need more help and support, we're currently doing, in the Twin Flame course, we're currently doing 30-day detox. 30-day inner union. Next month, December, is detox, where we delve deep into the journey, where we support you. You also get the A to Z of the whole journey, so you know exactly what to do through each of the stages. Because once you start to come into that magnetic frequency again and come into inner union, divine masculine will start to orbit closer. And it's about holding that energy so you don't go back into that runner chaser scenario again. If you need more help and support, my website's there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. You can shift this, but it's about reclaiming your light, reclaiming your power, shifting into soul alignment and that inner union. It's all in my Twin Flame course. It's there to help you shift so you don't feel alone, so you're not endlessly searching, so you can bring back your power, bring back your light, and start to shift into that magnetic soul frequency. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day from my heart to your heart. Much love, many blessings.